My friends, day number 4. We're gonna start with some spinal breathing. Inhale into the nose, out through the nose. Inhalation, slide your hands towards your body, round your spine, arch your back. Exhale, round your spine forward. And we're gonna do 20 of these breaths just to open up, to activate the blood flow, the prana flow in our whole system. And release. Relax your body, keep your spine straight, find your own breathing rhythm. Then we're gonna do 50 breaths, Kapalabhati. Inhale, exhale fully. In, fully out, and 50 breaths. Count for yourself. Exhale fully, hold the breath, squeeze the perineum, the mula bandha. And whenever you feel the urge to breathe in, inhale and hold. Exhale slowly and relax. Now we're gonna do a breath hold tap technique. So as you inhale, you just tap, you change with your fingers, with your hands, with your fist, and you only focus on the tapping, not on the breath hold. That will help you to hold the breath even longer. And the breath hold is so important in pranayama because it will calm your mind completely. Inhale, exhale one time. Inhale fully and stop tapping. Just follow me along. You can play with the speed, you can play with the area around the nipples, lower than your chest, your ribs, your collarbone, whatever feels right for you. Just play with it, go with the flow. Don't focus on the breath hold, just focus on the tapping. Bring the awareness within. This will also open up the nadis, the subtle energy channels in this area, opening up the heart, feeling more positive vibes. And just do this for as long as you comfortably can. When you feel it's enough, just slowly exhale and stop the tapping. Continue on your own. Find your own breathing rhythm. Feel the opening in the chest, the calmness of the mind. Wonderful. We're going to do one more round together. I will not speak now. I will just tap on my own, and you know how the technique works. Follow your own breathing style, the tapping style. Hold the breath for as long as you comfortably can, then slowly release and focus on your own breathing rhythm. Inhale, exhale fully. Inhale, hold and stop tapping. Find the calmness, the peace within. Feel the opening in the heart area. Just enjoy the present moment. Feel how the breath is very soft and calm. Slowly rub your hands together. Place them over your eyelids and forehead. And look into yourself, the spaciousness, the space within. And massage your eyelids, your forehead, your skull, your neck, your upper back, your shoulders, your chest, your abdominal area, your lower back, on the side of your rib cage, under your armpits on both sides, your upper arms, your lower arms, your hands, your fingers. Your sitting muscles, your thighs, and your feet. A really nice exercise. Very simple, very easy. Try it out during the day. Whenever you feel stressed, just tap. Also the tapping is opening so much blockages, emotions, and keep the mind calm, bring it within. Tomorrow, we're gonna practice Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. Namaste. See you tomorrow.